Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set lock screen wallpaper on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll to wallpaper. So here is the wallpaper, move on wallpaper, then you have to scroll like this little bit. Okay, then here explore more wallpaper, click on it. So after that, here is the top option, click on this top, then here you are going to find the many wallpapers. Okay, so if you want to set, you can select any wallpaper from here, then click on this download option. It's completing, you have to wait for a second. So here is the apply option, click on this apply option, and here is the home screen, lock and home screen for the board. Okay, so you can select from here. If you want to set for lock screen, you just click on lock screen, and here click on set on lock screen. Okay, then this wallpaper will be set successfully on lock screen. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.